Hello and welcome to Point of View. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the successful docking of the new Russian module Nauka that linked up to the Russian segment of the International Space Station, replacing the old Pirs module that departed a couple of days ago after serving Russian astronauts for over 20 years. The Russian-made Nauka multipurpose laboratory module was launched atop a Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan on July 21st. The uncrewed multipurpose laboratory module Nauka, the Russian word for science, encountered some technical problems on the way to orbit. Shortly after launch, issues began. An orbit maneuver was delayed for 24 hours due to software issues with the fuel system. These issues also included the inability to confirm the deployment of the docking target and antenna. Thankfully, Russian specialists were able to troubleshoot most of these problems and developed a backup rendezvous plan. After completing 8 days in free flight, the 43-foot-long, 23-metric-ton Nauka module automatically docked to the port of the Earth-facing side of the Russian segment of the station. This was the same segment that was vacated by the departure of Pirs module a few days ago. Nauka is Russia's first significant addition to the International Space Station in more than a decade. Nauka is a sizable module including crew quarters, an airlock for scientific experiments and much more. It is also 20% larger than the biggest Russian segment of the station, the Zvezda service module. Nauka will serve as a new science facility, docking port and spacewalk airlock for future operations. Nauka will support a variety of different services and functions once it's hooked up, activated and it's up and running for full use. Among other things, Nauka will provide propellant transfer between the Progress vehicles, the unpiloted cargo ships that will arrive in the months and years to come. It will also serve as a docking port for piloted Soyuz and unpiloted Progress vehicles. Nauka will also operate a European robotic arm that it delivered today for external scientific payloads. It will also provide for an additional crew quarters, an additional toilet and electron oxygen generation system. Interestingly, the Russian space agency Roscosmos has officially announced it is pulling out of the International Space Station in 2025. The decision was made due to safety concerns over the aging space station structure. Russia plans to build its own orbital service station but hasn't declared a firm timeline. For more than 20 years, astronauts have continuously lived and worked on the International Space Station, testing technologies, performing science, and developing the skills needed to explore farther from Earth.
Contact and capture, docking confirmed at 8:29 a.m. Central Time. Nauka has been a long time coming, but has now pulled into port at the International Space Station.
Congratulations, that was not an easy docking.
Docking occurring again at 8:29 a.m. Central Time, 9:29 a.m. Eastern Time, as the International Space Station and Nauka flew 260 miles over the border between Mongolia and China.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching.